Okay, my name is Ana. How we make the tamales from Guatemala, the Christmas tamales. I learned how to make tamales from my mother. You know, in Guatemala they do it every year. It's a tradition. But I only saw my mother once to do it. And I memorized, I don't know how I keep everything, the ingredients in my mind, you know. And then when I came to the States, I did it once, and then they like it, and we continue every year. Okay, when we make it, you know, the whole family wants to get involved, including the children, because it's a happy time, you know.
The tamale tradition is huge because everyone looks forward to it every year. It's something that unifies the family and brings us together. It kind of keeps our culture for all the kids and their kids. I think that our tamale tradition helps bond us with the family that we still have in Guatemala, because we know they're doing the very same thing. They're celebrating the very same way.
We keep the tradition. It's important for my kids, so why not, you know?